Welcome to JH. Today we are exploring how to integrate images into Notion tables to make your projects more visual and organized. Whether you are working on a personal workspace or collaborating with a team, Notion's flexible layout handles various needs, and adding pictures can really bring your data to life. Start by logging into your Notion account. Head to the official site and click the Login button. For a faster experience, you can select Continue with Google to pick your account, which is very helpful if you plan to sync with Google Docs or Sheets later on. Once you are in, find the specific page where you want the image-enabled table. Notion is very user-friendly, so navigating to your desired page is simple. To begin the process, type /gallery directly on the page. This command switches your current view into a gallery, which is a perfect starting point for visual elements. You will then see an option to either link an existing database or create a new one, depending on what your project requires. After your database is ready, click on any card in the gallery. Each card serves as a container for your data and images. Click inside an empty text box on the card and type /image to trigger the insertion tool. You can then upload a file from your computer or select one from the web. Once chosen, the image will appear right inside the gallery card you selected. To make the visual stand out, you can select the highlight option after uploading. This simple step draws attention to important visuals, making your information more accessible and interesting for viewers. Notion's strength is its ease of use and versatility. Adding images to your tables doesn't just look better. It makes your data easier to understand and your projects more interactive. Whether you are building a presentation, organizing research, or writing reports, visuals will improve the clarity and impact of your work. Try it out now and see how dynamic and visually appealing your Notion workspace can become with this simple addition.